Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Altaf Halde. I'm the Managing Director for Kaspersky Lab South Asia. Today we are actually gathered out here to make our announcement of a new distributor, Comguard, who we have appointed exclusively to target 1,000 plus user accounts. So that is the reason why we were actually gathered out over here. The reason of partnering with Comguard is, number one, is because they are already so big in the Middle East. They are one of the largest distributors of the B2B business in Middle East for Kaspersky. We look forward to the similar kind of support and similar kind of success in the Indian market also. They are already been in the market for the last 2 years. They have been setting up their offices across the country, and now with this new alignment that we have had with them as a national distributor, we are very much sure that the strategy of Kaspersky to target 1,000 plus customer accounts, which we have not been able to justify, keeping in mind the potential that exists in India, we will be able to make that particular step, that big step, to target the 1,000 plus users along with Comguard. One of the strategies, because of aligning with Comguard, is to focus on key verticals. One of the key verticals which we look forward to getting big successes is going to be the government segment, followed by the BFSI, and thirdly by the software development companies. We feel that these are the segments where we have not been able to do good justice because of the whatever reason. We have not been empaneled, or the large banks or the large BFSIs have not been looking at Kaspersky as a serious player. But because of our alignment with Comguard, the expertise that Comguard has, the technical power that Comguard holds, the confidence that they have in the market because of their wins and success in the Middle East, we will be able to approach these organizations in this particular respective sectors I mentioned: the government, the BFSI, the banking, and the software development companies. We are already very strong in the education segment. We are already very good in the manufacturing segment. That business will obviously always continue the way it is continuing right now. But for us to take that big step forward, we are very confident that because of our alignment with Comguard, we will be able to do much more bigger success in these particular 3 segments that we mentioned. And we already have been in the Indian market for the last 2 years plus. In the B2B space by a direct presence, and we have been selling quite well also, but we have been very strong so far in the SME space. But the 1,000 plus user customers, what we call as a large enterprise, that is an area which we have not been able to be as successful as we would have wanted to. But now with the new products that Kaspersky Lab has introduced, Kaspersky Security for Business, which has got lots of features besides anti-malware like systems management. It has got encryption, it has got software inventory, it has got mobile device management, and one single console, one single platform, and one single cost. We will be able to go back to these large corporate houses and tell them, now is the time where you need to look at Kaspersky as one point solution to take care of all these different point solutions that you have, and that is where we'll be able to score a big win over the competition which is there in the market today.